This is Elaine from Quills and Quacks. In this video, I will show you how I make a magic ring. The magic ring is one of the basic skills required to start most amigurumi projects. Now, there are many tutorials available should you find that my method doesn't work for you. The magic ring that I make is a double loop style that I learned years ago from a Japanese tutorial. Holding the tail end of the yarn with my right hand, I'm going to wrap it around my left pinky. I'll pull the yarn up and wrap it around my index finger, and then twice around my middle finger. Alright, I'm going to grab my hook and insert it through these two loops here. Make sure to go through both loops. I'm going to use my thumb to just kind of hold this down. Now I'm going to grab some yarn here and pull that through. You should have one loop on your hook. I'm going to grab some yarn again and pull that through. This creates the knot for your magic ring. We are now going to do 6 single crochets into the ring. First, I'm going to kind of twist my hook to go back through the loops. Grab some yarn and pull that through. I now have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to grab some yarn and pull that through. That is 1 single crochet. Now we're going to repeat this 5 more times. So just twist your hook, go through the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through. Grab some more yarn and pull it through. You should now have 6 single crochets on the loop. Let's take the ring off our fingers and let's count and check that we have 6 single crochets. A single crochet forms a V-shaped stitch. So right here, that's a V. So let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. I'm going to place my stitch marker into this first loop to hold my place. We are now going to close off the ring. So you see there's 2 strands here. We're going to pull one of these ones to close off the ring. But which one do you pull? Well, pull the tail first, just a little bit to see which one moves. So the one that's moving will kind of shorten. Okay, but don't pull it all the way just yet. So it looks like this one was the one that was moving. So I'm going to pull towards my tail end. And as I pull this, the other strand will move and start to close off my ring. Once you close it off, pull your tail in. And now you're done. Your ring is ready for row 2. In my next video, I will show you how to create a single crochet increase, read a basic pattern, and how to count rows. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!